What up, YouTube? I'm back, but I just wanted to go over some stuff. I know in the past I ran the Dynamite Max Life, very good clutch shoes, and I've also ran the Low C High Endurance, just as good. I love them all. But protek sent me $20 off 50, so I couldn't pass it up, and I got me some clutch shoes. Now these are the 70-75, so they're a little bit tougher. They're supposed to be like the high endurance version of them, but they look like great shoes. I shouldn't have a problem with them grabbing. I mean, I like, if they don't grab as hard, that's fine because I usually run one set of composites in there as well. So if I run all four aluminum, these should do pretty good. And they're cheap too. They're only like 23 bucks a piece, and the Dynamax, our Dynamite Max Life ones are 25, and the Low Cs are like 32. And I've ran them all. I really like the Low C ones; those work great. But the Dynamite Max Life ones, those were nice because they don't burr up as much. And I mean, I don't hardly notice a lot of slip, guys. I mean, I run on dirt, so high bite you could probably tell. Pavement or something like that, if you're running on road, yeah, you would probably tell even more. But I wanted to do a little something on these because these are the TKO specials, and I do know that you see how these have a blue and a black, blue, black, and you see how it's a special race. It's really heavy duty on this outer race. You're supposed to face these blue seals into each other. There's a special way these go in because it helps counter like the clutch belt wanting to push against the side of the race. There's the radial, which is round, along the inside outer of the diameter of the race, and then you've got like a longitudinal load like this. So this is supposed to help with those. I'm going to give them a whirl. They were relatively inexpensive, considering it being, special, not your standard issue, steel bearing. But I just wanted to do a little video, show you what I'm going to try, and then obviously, we're going to run it. I'm assuming they're going to last just as long as anything else. And I oil my other bearings, with just regular motor oil. I don't use a special bearing oil or nothing like that. I just use like 1040 Mobil 1 synthetic oil. And you can just take a syringe or something and just put a few drops around the rubber seal here and just let it soak in. Or you can dab it with your finger once you put it on there. You kind of plunge it in there a little bit. But yeah, we're going to give this stuff a shot and let you know how it works out. I got pretty good hopes for it. I mean, regular bearings last me quite a while, but I maintenance them. I take them apart, clean them off. I don't blow air into them because I don't want to push nothing into them. But I'll wipe off the outside, and I'll just put a few dabs of oil on there every half a gallon or so. Or any time I take the engine out. So yeah, got this all from Main Hobbies, and so I'll let you know how it works out. Alright guys, later.